Today is a bad day. And I'm gonna explain lat pull down today, bro.
Sexy.
Hola amigos, what's poppin'? It's me, Joe. And today I'm gonna explain to you lat pull down. Because the problem that many people have by back training, they feel their biceps the most. And I had this problem as well, man. Bro, I swear to God, there was like 2 or 3 years when I first started training. I hated back training all the time because somehow I felt my biceps was really like exhausted, but my back wasn't. So I tried to switch it up and try to find a solution for this problem. But how can you do this? You need to practice the movements, like how to engage your back, you understand? This is these movements that you need to practice. First like this. How to engage your back. I mean, it looks really weird, but let's say you stand and then you bring your lats, like you're stretching your lats, and you can also, when you turn your wrist in like this, and then like someone would pull your baby finger like this up, it will definitely like feel the most stretch on your lats. And then just with this, you try to learn how to contract this. Can you see, it's not, nothing is working yet, only my back. And then you combine these two movements. So we need a wide grip, because today we're going to do the wide grip, not the close grip. So you could actually now go ahead and do a lat pull down behind your back, right, like this. But always you have to think about like this. Is this a natural positioning? Probably not. But this is more natural. Let's say it's think about you're gonna put something on some cardboard or something. When you put something up, you put it here. You wouldn't put it like this, right? So
it's like
pulling behind your head can be okay if you can do it, but I won't recommend it. It's more dangerous. So you literally pull in front of you, and then you have to see it like this. Now the wide grip you have here, right? And then you start to engage this movement again here. You see, with your back muscles first. And then you bring it down and you imagine like you're pulling the weight with your elbow, bro. With your elbow. And you can either keep your elbows out, right? Or you can keep them in. But I can recommend you to keep them in. And then also when you bring it up, you keep them in, because this stretches the lats out way more than when you keep it like this. So I keep it in, tension on my baby finger. And then I'm pulling it down with my elbow. Chest up, head up. And then also it's important that you understand you have to pull it, let's say, towards your chest. You have chest up, head up, and then you pull it, and then let's say from the side it looks like this. Or this is the thing with your elbow. What are you doing with your elbow? When you bring it up, try to bring in the elbow, because like I said, it will give you more stretch for your lats.
Up.
Try. Also the next important thing is when you pull it down, engage the movement first like this, right? And then end this and pull it with your elbow. So because otherwise people, they will just pull like this. This is a lot of forearm and biceps. This is how most people are doing it. But then you can also just do like this.
Oh, I see.
You have to practice these movements.
Like a feel back?
Yeah, feel back. And is there anything else that is important? Yeah, because let's say when someone is doing, it's imitating a pull-up, right? So now when you bring it down, then there's these calisthenic guys, right? They're pushing each other up, and then they do this muscle up thing. But this is like here, right? So when you bring the weight down, at the end of the rep, you tip it on. You tip it like this. Let's say literally like this.
Close to the body.
Then it gives more tension on your back. Rep range is, in my opinion, 8 to 10 reps for this. You can go quite heavy.
Yeah, can you show this exercise one more time?
So I'm gonna stay here. Then take as wide as possible. Chest up, head up. I'm sitting down. I'm letting it stretch. Then I'm taking my legs in completely. I'm bringing my elbows now. They are out. Right now I'm bringing my elbows in, having all the tension on my baby finger. Chest up, head up, and then I lower the weight with my elbows. I'm pulling with my elbows, and then I'm tipping it on like this here. That's it, bro. That's lat pull down explained.
Thank you.
It's just in my few words. I mean, I just do this because the people are asking me for it. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next exercise, bro.